Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax here in Lewisville, Texas. And we're going to look at a freshwater only Sea Ray 280 SLX from 2018. This one is being sold without trailer, but trailers are available if you need one. All right, so 280 SLX, popular luxury runabout here in the North Texas market. So wraparound seating up in the bow. This boat does have the LED lighting package, so LED lighting under your seat bases, up in the gunnels, backlit here where your cooler is, as well as underwater. This one does have the power tower, so this tower is push button to raise and lower. I like it if you do transport this boat. The bimini top is on a cam strap, so you can just release it, take the whole canvas off to tow it down the road. So it takes you 2-3 minutes to do, so a lot easier than messing with regular canvas. This does have the 350 horsepower stern drive motor in it, right at 250 hours on this one, freshwater only here in North Texas. And also the vacuum flush head, like we order the vast majority of ours with, also has the really nice fabric in this one. Built-in isotherm refrigerator underneath your seat back behind your captain's chair. So really nicely laid out boat. Very good condition. So if you have any questions about this or any other boat you see online, by all means, pick up the phone and give me a call. I'd love to talk to you.